is important, but more than hard work, I'll say proper strategy is important. You have to plan everything very much.
First of all, you have to study. That's the main thing. Without studying, you cannot expect a position. You have to plan the studying. You cannot just sit down and study for 10 hours. You need to plan it actually, subject-wise. Everything you have to plan.
How much time you must give to it?
Obviously, you have to give hard work. Without hard work, you cannot do it. In the process, you will come across failures also. But that's the part of it. It's the beauty of it.
My mother always said that, Baba, I took Korean, Kosto Korean, I got it din. So this means that just put some more hard work, we'll do it. I say anything for my juniors, it would be those who just passed their SSLC, will pass the SSLC. First of all, make a right choice of, you must be clear which institution you have to take admission in. Don't just go by names, but see the faculties first. Second is, I'll tell that 3 things are important for me. First is your planning, then proper execution. There are people who plan but they cannot execute it properly. So that's pointless. So proper execution, and ultimately I'll say performance, because I have seen many good students who cannot perform well in their exams. They have prepared well, but they cannot perform, maybe because of anxiety or stress. But performance is very much important, because ultimately what the society recognizes is your result. It's not your hard work that you put in. You see, anything can distract you if you allow it. Okay, you have to be focused. I am in social media, I upload photos, but this does not distract me now. Okay, and social media, if used in a very proper way, it can be very much beneficial. Because there are many things which, first we had, in old times, we had to go to library and search each book, but now it's very much easy to acquire the knowledge, the information. We can get it very much easily, just with a click. So if used social media and internet nicely, properly, it can do wonders.
Yeah, today we are so much proud because we have got rank from both sections, science and commerce. I have both sections, and we have started our class from September as soon as government has given permission on offline classes, because we know that without offline class success cannot be there, because teacher-student interaction is first. Without teachers' face, student will not rely, because then what is the use of coming to the school? They can read at home, read the book. Teachers are giving notes in on online classes. But when they came met with the teachers and teacher explained in the class, they could follow better way. So I don't think online is better than offline.